How to sell X Empire tokens on OKX. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your X Empire tokens on OKX. To do so, first of all, open your OKX application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here you will need to confirm that you have enough X Empire tokens in your OKX wallet account. If you don't have that, you will need to first deposit them into your wallet. Also make sure you have verified your account on OKX. If not, you'll not be able to proceed further. Your verification is not allowed in my country, so I'm not able to do so. But if your reason supports verification, then you will need to follow these steps. Tap on the 9 dots icon at the top left. And then onto this Manage Assets section, tap on the deposit option which is indicated by the arrow facing downward. Once you tap on it, you will be able to search for X Empire tokens. Once you reach to the next page, you will need to search for X Empire tokens which is represented by X. And now follow the instructions to deposit your tokens. Also make sure to use the correct network which is drawn for this transfer. Now, once after transferring them, you will be able to see the tokens in your OKX wallet. Once your tokens are in your OKX wallet, you will need to tap on this cross button. You will need to come back to this page and here under Advanced Trade, look for the spot option. Once you find it, tap on it and this will take you to the trading interface. Now here you will need to search for the trading pair for X Empire tokens, that is X/USDT. Tap on this BTC/AUD trading pair at the top and then in the search bar search for X/USDT. You will get the search results at the bottom. Once you find the pair, you will need to tap on it and now this will take you to the trading interface. Here make sure to select the sell option right here and now choose whether you want to place a market order to sell immediately at the current market price or a limit order to set a specific price at which you would like to sell. For a market order, you can simply select the market order from here. Once selected, enter the amount of X tokens you wish to sell and then tap on the sell button at the bottom in order to proceed further. And for a limit order, you can select this market order option first, select the limit order from the list and then set your desired selling price, then enter the amount of tokens you want to sell. Once after entering it, tap on the sell option right here and then you will be able to place your sell order. You can check your order history or open order sections to confirm that your sell order has been executed successfully. So by following these steps, you should be able to sell X Empire tokens on OKX. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.